Torrential slide value equivalent to 232.46 rands a coin. The present cost range, 228.32 to 238.96. The earlier day close, 234.39. The change was 1.93. 0.82%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Avalanche cost forecast on Monday, July 31. Cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 2. Cost 237 rands, high 254. Low 220. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, August 3. Cost 227 rands, high 243, low 211. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 4. Cost 228 rands, high 244, low 212. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, August 7. Cost 221 rands, high 236, low 206. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 223 rands, high 239, low 207. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 219 rands, high 234, low 204. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 10. Cost 221 rands, high 236, low 206. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Friday, August 11. Cost 214 rands, high 229, low 199. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 14. Cost 213 rands, high 228, low 198. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 201 rands, high 215. Low 187. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 200 rands, high 214, low 186. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, August 17. Cost 208 rands, high 223, low 193. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 18. Cost 222 rands, high 238. Low 206. Torrential slide figure on Monday, August 21. Cost 221 rands, high 236, low 206. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 220 rands, high 235, low 205. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, August 23. Cost 216 rands, high 231, low 201. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, August 24. Cost 215 rands, high 230, low 200. In about a month torrential slide gauge on Friday, August 25. Cost 230 rands, high 246, low 214. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, August 28. Cost 238 rands, high 255, low 221. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 torrential slide cost forecast for November 2023. In the first place cost at 185 rands, exorbitant cost 197. While low cost 171, the found the middle value of cost 184. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the months and 184, change for November 0.5%. Torrential slide gauge for December 2023. In the first place cost at 184 rands, exorbitant cost 198. While low cost 172. The found the middle value of cost 185. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the months and 185, change for December 0.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 185 rands, exorbitant cost 185, while low cost 157. The found the middle value of cost 174. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the months and 169. Change for January 8.6%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. To start with cost at 169 rands, exorbitant cost 210, while low cost 169. The found the middle value of cost 186. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 196. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 196 rands, exorbitant cost 213. While low cost 185. The found the middle value of cost 198. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 199. Change for spring 1.5%. Torrential slide estimate for April 2024. To start with cost at 199 rands, excessive cost 216. While low cost 188. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 201. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 202. Change for April 1.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at 202 rands, excessive cost 245, while low cost 202. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 220. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 229. Change for May 13.4%. Torrential slide figure for June 2024. Initially cost at 229 rands, excessive cost 233. While low cost 203. The found the middle value of cost 221. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 218. Change for June 4.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at 218 rands, exorbitant cost 236. While low cost 206. The found the middle value of cost 220. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 221. Change for July 1.4%. Torrential slide estimate for August 2024. To start with cost at 221 rands, exorbitant cost 274. While low cost 221. The found the middle value of cost 243. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 256. Change for August 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at 256 rands, exorbitant cost 278. While low cost 242. The found the middle value of cost 259. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 260. Change for September 1.6%. Torrential slide gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at 260 rands, exorbitant cost 282. While low cost 246. The found the middle value of cost 263. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 264. Change for October 1.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 264 rands. Exorbitant cost 287. While low cost 249. The found